Hello treasures, welcome back to my channel. Let's make buns with this plantain. So we're making plantain buns. We normally make plantain puff puff, but today we are making plantain buns, or buns with very ripe plantain. So let's get started. In my mixing bowl, I'll add in some all-purpose flour. Then I'll go in with baking powder, baking soda and baking powder, powdered milk or milk powder, some nutmeg, and then sugar. I will leave all the ingredients I'm using and their measurements in my description box below. So I'll mix everything together and then set this aside while we go to the plantain. I've gone ahead to wash and peel and cut the plantains, and I'll be blending this plantain with some eggs. I'll be using 2 eggs here. I'll also be adding it my drinking yogurt. You can use milk or water, and I will also add some fresh peppers to make it a bit spicy. So we're going to have spicy plantain buns.
A sprinkle of thyme, a dash of peace, gentle notes like a summer breeze, chopping sounds in harmony, kitchen tune so heavenly. Soft piano keys like simmering stew.
After blending, I'll then transfer the blended plantain mixture into the dry ingredients. I'll mix everything together.
Warmth in every melody flows through. Rolling dough.
You can always add more water or more liquid until you get the consistency you want. I rinsed my blender with some water, about half cup of water, then continue to mix until I get that buns consistency or puff puff. You can also call this puff puff, but this is a no yeast puff puff because I used baking powder instead of yeast.
Stirring dreams, cooking like
Yeah, I'm okay with this consistency, so we'll set this aside now, heat up some oil, and we start frying our buns, or no yeast puff puff, whichever one you choose to call it.
life's most tender themes.
And once the oil is hot enough, we start frying. Remember, the oil should not be too hot so that the buns or puff puff doesn't fry at the top without frying inside. The oil just has to be moderate, medium low.
Whispering flavors floating in the air. Each note blends like spices rare. A calm embrace of taste and sound. Treasure kitchen where joy is found. Steam rising like a
Continue to fry and flip them around until they become golden brown on every side of it. And then it is time to take them out from the oil.
piano side. Golden crust, the soft notes fly.
And look at how gorgeous they are looking. Is it not calling your name? Bring one, take one. And I'll continue to fry this like until I'm done frying all of the puff puff or buns, batter or dough.
Taste and sound. Treasure kitchen where joy is found. Piano stirs like a wooden spoon. Gentle rhythms hum a tune. A recipe.
Yeah, the outcome soft and very delicious. Thank you all for watching. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe, or follow my page. Until I see you again in my next video, remain blessed and safe. I love you all. Bye bye.
Yeah. Each note blends like spices rare. A calm embrace of taste and sound. Treasure kitchen where joy is found.